Hi everybody and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add contact form to Shopify footer. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So for this you're going to be needing a contact form integration. So let's just search that in our Shopify app store just like that, and you can see below we have Shopify app store. We're going to dive into that and straight away we are onto our Shopify app store. Just wait for a couple of seconds until it is going to be onto it. So you can see we have different form builders. So like for example we have Power Form Builder, Contact Form. You can use any of these, and eventually once you use them you will be able to easily add your contact forms anywhere onto your page. You can see we have contact forms, we can add them on our header or footer. So yeah, pretty easy. Make sure to give a try to this one. I highly suggest this integration and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.